In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit PDF file in laptop or in PC. If you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your taskbar, then click on search, then search for Word. So you are going to see your Word there. Just click on open to open it. Then it will land you here. So you will see on your left, you are going to see open other document. Click on it. Then go to browse. Then you can go to the file location where your PDF file is. So I'm just going to go to the location. Then this is the PDF file that I want to edit. So I'm just going to double click on it. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. Just click on OK. As you can see, you are able to edit PDF. So you can edit the PDF. Then once you have edited the PDF, you can now go to the file. Then go to Save As. Then you can browse the location where you want to save the edited PDF. So I'm going to save it on desktop. Then you can change the name of the PDF. That is under file name. Now under save as type, you are going to click on that drop down menu. Then you will see PDF here. Click on it. Then click on save. Now the file has been saved as PDF. And that's simply it, guys. That's how to edit PDF file in laptop or PC. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next one.